Right, hey Aurora, how are you?
Good.
That is my motorcycle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get off the flash. It's a brand new tire, Avon Cobra. On a Sportster, as part of my exhaust. I had to take this dumb little gasket off right there. And it was a phenomenal bitch. Alright. Now I'm in the process of doing the alignment. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Oh, by the way, that shit broke. Alright, let's see if we can. There. Yeah. Belt. Tire. It's not inflated yet because I was having trouble with the brakes. Serious pain in the ass. Alright. Oh, there's my other motorcycle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah. Wow.